Hello guys, this is the thing. Today we are going to unbox and review. This is Fujifilm XT3 Mirrorless camera and we are going to unbox it and review it in depth and test it on the field, how it performs, how it is. We have heard a lot of reviews and good reviews about this mirrorless camera so far, so we will test it out, how it performs. So first things first, let's unbox this thing now. So what are the things inside the big polythene? This is the bag. Nice bag. This is from Fujifilm, you can see here. Very professional. At least it looks like one. Two compartments I got here. Only two compartments. You can carry one lens, one camera. Here you got chain pocket. You can keep here your memory cards, drives, and another small pocket here. This is a little bit thicker. Feels nice. It's a good quality bag. At least it feels to me like. Now let's keep it aside. And these are the extra things we got here. A memory card and extra battery. So the seller was nice to give this memory card for free. It's a 16 GB Ultra 48 Mbps memory card, SanDisk. And there is an offer going on in India. If you pre-book the Fujifilm XT3, you will get an extra battery for free. Yes, it's completely free. And this is the interesting thing here. Here we go. Now let's open it. You would have seen its seal is already broken because they will open it for warranty purpose. They will sign the warranty cards, bills, etc. That's why they have to open it. And the cost is around 1,32,000. This is offline price, reseller price. If you buy it online, then the price is about 1,47,800 something in Amazon, India. These are the manuals, some books, papers of course. I think this is the lens. You can see this is the lens hood or lens. We'll get back to it later. First we'll unbox the camera. So this is the camera. Let's see here. This is the camera. We'll also get back to it. First we'll see what other accessories we got in this box. Nothing else. These are the accessories. And this is a small flash. Fujifilm X8 small flash. This is a battery inside the box. This is the strap, the clip, charger, battery charger adapter, and charging cable. That's all? Yes. So these are the things you'll get in this accessories box. Now this is the camera. The screen is not swivel. You can just put it like this, or downside you can do it like this, or like this. feels a little heavy. These are the dials, exposure compensation, ISO dial, and these are some extra dials. This is there. It looks really great. On this side, the accessories ports, and for conveniently using on the field, you can pull out this port cover like this. This is a spring button, you can see. You have to just pull it down. So it's a nice thing. While filming, shooting some cinematic scenes, while using all the ports, you'll definitely want to remove it completely. And this is the mic output. This is headphone. This is USB Type-C, and this is useful for charging the camera. But unfortunately, you can't charge the battery while using the camera. I mean, if you are thinking while recording something, you will just plug your power bank or something like that in this USB, then it won't charge. If you turn off the camera, then only you can charge via this USB-C port. And this is the HDMI port. You can put some extra displays here. You can directly record externally with the help of this HDMI port. And this side, 2 SD card slots you can see here. 2 SD card slots, very professional. Unlike the Canon EOS-R, there is only one card slot, and this is the remote slot. You can use some external remotes in this camera. Now let's open the lens. This is the lens hood for 18 to 55. And this is very good and quality lens. This is with the camera. This is 18 to 55 f2.8 to f4. If you buy it separately, it will cost you around, as of now, 60,000 in Amazon. This is OIS lens, stabilized. So if you are using filters with the camera, then you will need filter rings of 58 mm. And on the bottom side, you will get the battery slot. And this is for, I think, battery grip. And this is a tripod hole. Now let's put the battery inside the camera. Then we will power on the camera. This is the power off and on button. Here, the language. There is an option you can pair with smartphone. Of course, you can do this later, and you just have to press the back button to skip it. Now you have to set the date and month. Now we'll put the memory card here. I will put the lens on the camera. So this is the aperture ring, and this is your focusing. So this is the first picture I have captured in this camera without any help, self-clicked. So this is the unboxing of this camera and accessories. So I can say this is one of the best mirrorless camera in terms of video recording. It's got some nice features: 4K 60 FPS at 400 Mbps, 10-bit recording, 10-bit internal recording. It's a very good feature to have in this mirrorless camera body. And its strong competitor is Panasonic GH5S or GH5. This camera doesn't have IBIS, inbuilt image stabilization, but still the OIS lens performs very well while shooting videos or taking pictures. And the difference between Panasonic GH5 or GH5S with this camera is those are micro third sensors, and this is APS-C sensor, so you'll get better performance in low light situations. And there is very less noise while shooting videos in low light than the Panasonic the Panasonic GH5. 5S is a really strong competitor to this camera, but the budgets will be really high. So for a low budget camera, you can of course go with this camera. And there are some pros here in this camera, and there are some pros on that camera. On that camera, you can record 4K 60 FPS unlimited until you run out of your memory. But in this camera, you're limited to record 4K 60 FPS for 20 minutes, and 30 FPS you can record up to 30 minutes. But who records video more than 20 minutes in a single shot? That's not a deal breaker for me. So what are your thoughts about this camera? You can have your thoughts in comments below. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, you may consider to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel HD Digital. So see you next time with another interesting video. Until then, it's bye for now.